Hi, my name is Kingsley Arhin, and today's tutorial we are going to learn how to use the C++ to run a code. So I write a C++ program that reads in two integer values from the user and checks if the value is greater than the second using the greater than operator. If it is, print first value is greater to the screen, otherwise print second value is greater. So let's quickly dive into our C++, dev C++ software. So here we come. We quickly open a new project, console application, and okay, let's save it tax dot dev. And automatically dev C++ give us a default code. So let's clean it and leave the hash include iOS string. So first things first, let's do first things first. So we have hash include iOS string. Our next step is to write our using namespace std semicolon, then int name, then we bring our curly brackets, return 0, semicolon. Let's come back to our code. The question says let's go back to our question again. The question says we should write a C++ program which displays to the user that if our cin is being typed in, it should be able to tell us that the first value is greater or the second value is greater. So let's continue with our code. First things first, we will call out the first two numbers, int first comma second. That's our two numbers. We are finding for two numbers. We are calling for two numbers. Then our cout will be enter first number. We enter first number. We enter first number, semicolon. Then our cin will be the first number. Our cin is the first, semicolon. Then our cout again for the second one, because we are dealing with two numbers. Enter second number. Sorry. Enter second number. Okay, semicolon. Then our cin will be the second. Our cin will be the second, semicolon. Then we now call for the condition. Now we've stated the now we've stated the first number and the second number. So we now call for the condition on which the two numbers should operate. So the condition is the if statement. So if first number if first if the first number is greater than the second, first number is greater than the second, we expect the first number to appear on the screen. So it's an if statement. Let's finish writing it, after that we explain. So the C out will give us the C out here will give us the first number, first value is greater. Yes, first value is greater. Else, let's go for our next slide. So we are done with the condition. This if statement is simply telling us that if the first number is greater than the second number, the first number should appear on our output that the first, oh, I did a mistake here. It's quite unfortunate. It should appear that it should appear on our screen that the first value is greater. So I take it again. If the first number is greater than the second, it should appear on our screen that the first value is greater. But if the second number is if this second number is greater than the first number, it should appear the second value is greater. So basically, this is how our condition is. So we are running our program quickly. You come to execute, run and compile, or you can either check your syntax if it is correct before you run. Either way, so let's check our syntax if everything is correct before we run it. So you save it, you save it dot C++. So we are checking for our syntax. Quickly, we have an error here, the C out. We should have brought the T, so let's check it again. We don't have error again, so we can run our program, compile and run. Good. So this is the output of the program we entered. So let's try our hands on it. For example, let's say 10 and 5. 10 and 5. We know that 10 is greater than 5. So the first value is greater. Let's try for the second example too. Let's compile and run and make it otherwise. So 5 and 10. Good. Second value is greater. So basically, this is what the question is asking us to do. Yes, this is what the question is asking us to do. So we are done for today's tutorial. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate a lot.